All right, we're gonna go check out the animals. First, we'll check out the piggies, and I think there's a bunny in here too, down the sand. It's their little pen, but it's raining out and cold and gross, so hello, little piggies. This one's rubbing up on me. Hey, bud. Hi, bud. How you doing? How you doing, eh? Hey, buddy. Hey, you. There's the other one. Look, he's rubbing up against my leg. What are you guys? What are you doing, buddy? Hey, you. You guys are cute, ain't ya? Now, there's supposed to be a bunny in here as well. Gotta watch out for the shit. There's the black bunny. This bunny's bad. He fights with the other bunnies. Yes, buddy. Hello. Hello, piggies. Yes, piggies. This guy loves me. It's so cute. And over to the other one, where we got chickens and bunnies. There's a bunny there. Yeah, you guys are staying inside today, aren't you? It's cold and gross and wet. There we go, there's the chickies. Hey guys. Hey chickies. It's okay, you're okay. I got heaters in here. Oh, they're going outside now because they see me. There's some bunny buns. Look at him right under the heater. He love it. There's one hiding up there. They love it. Just saying hi, guys. Getting them in tonight's going to be easy because they're already in.